Hello there, it is Zach
and Michaela.
We're coming back at you with another video, but this one's a little bit different, okay? This is actually an unboxing video. But first, I want to ask you a few questions. Do you feel like you struggle with your true self identity? Are you looking for a more natural remedy for your mental health?
Do you feel like maybe it's hard for you to keep things balanced?
Perfect. We may have the answer for you.
Mysticopia is a company that I actually found through Instagram. It's an amazing California-based company that actually creates small potions for people. They actually sent us 2 different ones that we're going to try out today, so we're going to explain a little more about it. But it's very much so goes hand in hand with spirituality and keeping everything balanced and zenful.
These potions are created through an ancient alchemical process which produces alkaloids. Those then create a potion called spaegric. Spaegric is the potion that basically alters your body, your mind, and your soul. So let's first explain a little bit of what chakras are and how they're correlated with this potion.
So from our research, one of the first and most basic fundamentals of spirituality is that you're made up of 7 different chakras. Some people believe more, but for the general belief and practice, 7 different ones. And a chakra actually is
the center of spiritual power inside the human body,
which is super cool. So they're located in different spots, and Zachary's actually going to name each one, and I'll show you guys where it's located at.
So the first chakra is called the crown. The crown is located in your mind. The second one is the third eye. It's located between your eyes. The third one is the throat. The fourth one is the heart. And the fifth one is the solar plexus. Can't really see.
It's like underneath your ribs and above your belly button.
The sixth one is the sacral.
That's your very bottom of your pelvis.
And the 7th one is the root. And that's right in your ass. I'm not going to explain the 7 chakras to you, but in this package right here, we do have 2 potions. Like Michaela said before, Mysticopia creates potions to activate these chakras.
And if you guys want to learn more about the chakras, we actually are gonna add a link to a video that we watched below to help us understand a little bit of this before we made this video, and I definitely suggest you guys go and watch it. It's very, very interesting, and like multiple times we paused it and we're like, whoa, like yeah. It's crazy.
With no further questions, let's get to the unboxing and review.
Aw, how cute.
Comes with a nice little packaging. That's pretty cool. Makes me feel already so much more mystical and spiritual.
Here's the little package, and here is the bottle.
Oh, cool.
We got earth. Cool. So this one's our root chakra.
So this basically deals with your root
and your survival.
Makes you feel grounded, apparently. So the positive of this, the pros, is supposed to make you feel like you're where you're supposed to be in life. Yeah.
Now let's go to the second one.
Let's move this out the way. This is the second one right here.
Wow. Package.
Ooh.
Let's see. I can get it out. Arouse.
The Arouse. Ooh, the Arouse potion.
So this one is located with the sacral chakra. It's to balance your ovaries, testicle glands, enhance performance, pleasures, and playfulness.
The earth one right here, potion, actually promotes grounding, stability, trust. It activates the root chakra. It balances the adrenal gland, and it strengthens your deep roots. So, I'm pretty excited. The ingredients are dandelion, burdock, holy basil, cinnamon, licorice, ashwagandha, plant salts, organic alcohol spirits, spring water. The ingredients on the Arouse potion are maca, damiana, horny goat weed, saffron, red ginseng, calendula, licorice, plant salts, organic alcohol spirits, and spring water.
We're gonna open it out just so you guys can see. It's like a orange color.
This one right here. It's kind of the same color.
A little less
See what it
vibrant.
smells like.
Oh yeah. Wow.
How does
This
it
one
smell?
smells pretty good. It smells like I want to drink it. Yeah.
Yeah, like I could drink this.
Maybe this one smells more like tea, but that one smells good too. This one smells like minty almost. What's in it that's minty?
This one smells more like tea. That
Okay.
one smells like cinnamon.
Oh, cinnamon. That's what it is.
That's
tea.
cinnamon comes out a lot now.
This
This
is-
smells good.
It says shake well to activate. Take a dropful under the tongue or add to water or to your favorite beverage 2 or 3 times daily. If anything, you need that.
Okay, well I'll do Arouse. All right, let's do it.
I wonder if these are gonna taste horrible or not.
Here goes nothing. All right.
It's got a kick.
How do you feel? I'm sure
Probably
it's
not
not like
related.
instant, but I mean, the way it made your mouth go, it kind of like
Yeah, tingles.
yeah,
Tingles.
it was a very
Mm.
I don't know.
Well, we're gonna keep taking them
Very
daily.
Yeah, it's different, definitely.
If you guys want to stay updated with us and see how it's going, see if it makes a difference, you can follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, be sure to do that. I'll drop mine right here. And hers right here.
You guys should go check them out. We're going to add a link to Mysticopia's Instagram, and then we're also going to add a link to their website. You can read their mission statement. He goes very in depth. The creator is very, very open in his beliefs and very, very...
Cool people. And we do understand this coronavirus is a bit tough right now, so we did make a video on how to make money during this coronavirus. I can put the link to it in the description, and I'll put it there. So thank you so much for watching. We genuinely enjoyed making this. This was our first unboxing video, so if you enjoyed it, please leave a like. Please. We're asking for how many likes, babe? I'm thinking like 10. I'd be happy with 10.
I'm going to say 15. We've gotten 10 before.
Thank you. If you have not yet, please subscribe. We're coming at you weekly from here on out. We appreciate you.